Hello students, since beginning of this session 2021-22, all of us are facing pandemic situation, and that is why this was expected from the council CISCE that the council will reduce the syllabus of all the subjects. Yesterday night council reduced class 10 mathematics syllabus, and here we are studying with the main syllabus this reduced syllabus. Okay, since in class 10 ICSE maths the entire syllabus is divided in 7 units. In the first unit, which is very important, that is the commercial mathematics. Previously we were getting 3 chapters: goods and service tax, banking, and shares and dividend. You can see here shares and dividends completely excluded from the syllabus. Now you will not have to study for this forthcoming board examination this chapter, shares and dividend. As far as here in goods and service tax, I have written here in detail. I am going to tell you because these few lines included with this reduced syllabus. Previously you were getting computation of tax including problems involving discounts, list price, profit and loss, basic and cost price including inverse cases. But these few lines included yesterday with the reduction of the syllabus, that is, candidates are also expected to find price paid by consumer after paying SGST and CGST. The different rates as involved on different types of items will be provided. Problems based on corresponding inverse cases are also included. That is why I have written these few lines, whatever included yesterday. Now second thing, in banking, this is as it is, that is recurring deposit accounts, computation of interest and maturity value, that is using the formula I is equal to P n into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100, and maturity value is equal to P into n plus interest. Okay, nothing is included or excluded from this part, banking. Okay, now shares and dividend completely excluded from the syllabus. Now come on the next topic, that is next unit, algebra. In this second unit of algebra there are 7 chapters. First chapter, linear inequation. This will remain as this was defined earlier. No change and no addition in linear inequation. In the same way, in quadratic equation, in one variable, no change and nothing is included. Okay, nothing is excluded or included from quadratic equation. Third chapter, that is from ratio and proportion, one topic, that is direct simple applications on proportions only. This topic is excluded, and though this is as it is, that is proportion, continued proportion, mean proportion, componendo, dividendo, alternando, invertendo, properties and their combinations. These 2 points are still there for the forthcoming examination in 2022, but direct simple applications on proportions excluded from your syllabus. Now fourth chapter, factorization or of polynomials, is also same as earlier. This was defined in the beginning of session. Matrices also same, no change. Arithmetic progression, this was expected that geometric progression will not be there this year also, because last year also they excluded geometric progression with the reduction of the syllabus, and this year also this is reduced, and this point simple applications also excluded. Now this year the students will get the questions from arithmetic progression which will be related to their general term and summation first to n terms only, and simple questions will be asked. Now, seventh chapter, that is coordinate geometry, nothing is excluded or included in coordinate geometry. Though in last year, the lines which is parallel lines and perpendicular lines where this topic was excluded, but this year this is also there with the 2002 board examination. That is the no change in coordinate geometry this year with this reduction. Okay, all the points are there which is already defined with the in the beginning of the session. Now next unit, in this third unit of the syllabus, that is in geometry, we are getting two chapters, similarity and loci till date. But this chapter loci excluded completely from your syllabus. Now you will find only the questions from similarity. From similarity also, so many topics excluded you can see here. That is why I have written in detail. Now these topics are there in your syllabus after reduction, that is similarity, conditions of similar triangles, comparison with congruency, keyword being proportionality, three conditions SSS, SAS and AA, simple applications, proofs not included. Okay, only these topics can be asked. Okay, but these topics excluded from the syllabus from this chapter, that is as a size transformation excluded, applications of basic proportionality theorem not there in the reduced syllabus, areas of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of corresponding sides also not there in the reduced syllabus. And here the last one, direct applications based on above, including applications to maps and models. These important topic also excluded from the syllabus. Okay, and in second chapter loci, this chapter excluded completely from the syllabus. Now next unit, actually in third unit geometry, there are three chapters, similarity, loci and circles, and this is the third chapter, circle in geometry. In circle, angle properties, cyclic properties, tangent and secant properties, all the theorems are there, nothing is excluded from this time. Though with the further reduction last year, few topics of tangents and secant property excluded, but this time with this reduction, no change in the chapter circle, except proofs of all theorems excluded, only applications of all circle theorems in solving numerical problems are included. Okay, this is defined with the reduction of this syllabus. Okay, and that is why you will have to study all the theorems in circle, but their proofs not required. Their applications can be asked with the help of the questions. Okay, now constructions excluded completely. You will not find the questions from construction this year in 2022 board examination also. This chapter excluded completely. Now fourth unit, in mensuration, sphere is not there. You will find only cylinder and cone, and this is the defined syllabus, that is area and volume of solids, that is cylinder and cone, and three-dimensional solids, right circular cylinder and right circular cone, area, total surface area and curved surface area, both can be asked, and volume, direct application problems including cost, inner and outer volume, and melting and recasting method to find volume and surface area of a new solid. Combination of solids included in the chapter mensuration. Now next unit, that is fifth unit. In this fifth unit, trigonometry, no change. Whenever I am finding that there is no change in the reduced syllabus, then I am not writing the syllabus in detail. You can see here same as defined earlier in the beginning of the session. But for statistics, I have written the syllabus completely because little change in between the syllabuses, okay, and that is why I have written in detail. You can see here basic concepts, mean, median, mode, histogram and ogive. These are the main topics that we are studying. But here computation of measures of central tendency, mean, median class and modal class for continuous group data. Discontinuous group data excluded from the syllabus, and this is mean, median and mode for raw and array data also not there in your syllabus. That is also excluded with the reduction of the syllabus. That is why I have not written here raw and array data. Discontinuous also not there, only continuous group data are there, and mean by any method, this is as earlier. Graphical representation, histogram and less than ogive. Find the mode from histogram, the upper quartile, lower quartile and median from ogive. Calculation of interquartile range can be asked. Okay, this is all about the syllabus of this statistics, in which we have seen that discontinuous group data not there, and then raw and array data of with the help of that finding mean, median, mode excluded from the syllabus. Now 7th unit, that is the probability, or sometimes in some of the book probability is taken in statistics also. Okay. Now in 7th probability, no change. All the topics will remain as it is. Now in all, if we summarize the entire reduced syllabus, then we can see that these chapters, or you can say these topics, excluded completely from the syllabus. That is, you will not have to study this. Shares and dividend not there, geometric progression not there, loci not there, sphere you will study only cone and cylinder, sphere not there in mensuration, constructions not there in circles, and the questions based on maps and model of the important chapter similarity not there. These 7 topics you can see that not there in the reduced syllabus. This way we studied in detail comparative study of main syllabus with the reduced syllabus, and hope all of you will be benefited. You just see this video as many times as you can, so that you can understand the entire comparative study very well. For getting more and more upcoming video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.